stupid servant. Learning objectives: 1. Following the right path. 2. Understanding the importance of the correct path. Warm up. What is the little girl dreaming about? Think about what the little girl is dreaming about and then draw a picture of your idea. Ramu, yes sir? I dream of a saint. He said that if I invite him to my house and beat him on his head with the rod, he would change into a golden statue and I would become richer. So, we should wait for the saint. Sir, here is the saint. Give me the rod. I will hit him on the head. Really, sir? It's amazing. Oh, how wonderful. The saint changed into a golden statue as soon as the master struck him on the head. To make myself richer, I'll also invite some saints to my house and beat them on their head. He did so. The saints were hurt when the servants struck them with the rod. The saints went to the king and told their tragedy. Your Majesty, take the stupid servant and throw him into the prison. Find meaning. Tragedy, disaster. Invite, welcome. Disappeared, vanish. Saint, holy person. Exercises, creative expression. Tell your story. What would you feel when the king tells you about his dream? Imagine yourself as a servant. Would you also invite the saints? Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. The message of the story is that we should always follow our path. We should not walk on someone else's path. Read any story with the same theme and retell the theme of the story in your own words. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Enact a role play in the class and choose your favorite character from the story. Logical decision making. The servant also invited some saint to his house and hid them. What do you think about the character of the servant? Was the servant greedy, clever, or stupid? Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Who saw a saint in his dream? Answer. The king saw a saint in his dream. B. Did the saint turn into a golden statue when the master beat him? Answer. Yes, the saint turned into a golden statue when the master beat him. C. What did the servant think? Answer. The servant thought to make himself richer. He also invites some saint to his house and will beat them on their head. D. Whom did the saint tell their tragedy? Answer. The saints told their tragedy to the king. E. What did the king order to his soldiers? Answer. The king ordered his soldiers to take the stupid servant and throw him into the prison. Find their meanings. A. Prison. A place in which people are legally held as a punishment for a crime they had committed. B. Statue. Carved. C. Offer. Present something to accept. D. Majesty. Royal power. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The saint will change into golden statue. B. The master hit the saint. C. The servant was thrown to prison. Take the correct option. A. The name of the servant in the story is 1. Manu, 2. Ramu, 3. Raghu. 2. Ramu. B. The master saw an dash in his dream. 1. Angel, 2. Ghost, 3. Saint. 3. Saint. C. The master dashed the saint. 1. Clothes, 2. Food, 3. Hit. 3. Hit. Match the following. Column A. 1. Master, 2. Servant, 3. Saint. Column B. Prison, tragedy, dream. Master, dream. Servant, prison. Saint, tragedy. Conceptual understanding. Write T for true sentences and F for false sentences. 1. The saint gave the food to the master. Answer: false. 2. The servant feeds the food to the saints. Answer: false. 3. The master praised the servant for this deed. Answer: false. 4. The servant was thrown into prison. Answer: true. Communication. Writing skills. Which characters you like the most? Write 3 sentences about this. You can begin like this. Hints. Why do you like the character? Use describing words to write about your favorite character. Choose the describing words from the box below. Tall, short, clever, quiet, foolish, beautiful, smart, obedient, shy, happy, nervous, grumpy, stupid. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will read out some words. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will read out some words. Listen to him or her carefully and write down the magical words in your notebook. Practice this conversation. Teacher, do you respect your elders? Student, yes, I respect my elders. Teacher, how do you greet your elders in the morning? Student, I greet them by saying good morning. Teacher, how should you speak to others? Student, we should speak very gently and politely to others. Teacher, what do you say when you receive something from others? Student, we say thank you. Teacher, what do you say when you do something wrong? Student, we say sorry. Teacher, what do you say when you request someone? Student, we say please. Teacher, what do you say when someone is going for a long journey? Student, we say happy journey.